Yeehaw!
So have you guys ever heard of Terraria? You know, it can be pretty hard when you turn expert mode on. Especially when you don't have the best computer and your internet connection is also equally shit.
Stabs in this game.
But like, what if me and the lads turned on the mod that made the game infinitely harder? Welcome to Calamity, let's go.
Let's go!
Grab some ice for you down here.
Oh, yes.
Ooh, ice skates.
If I'm gonna die to another goddamn vulture, god damn it!
Hello.
Guess what? Hey, guess what? Hey.
What?
Hey. Hey, guess what?
Hey, yeah. Oh, whoa.
Well, bye-bye.
Ah! Wait, I'm still...